Oh, I have felt these ages, have felt these kids grow, have felt all my love, but I've never felt this way about you. I've never crowned myself without you until I've grown wings for you. It's true that my ambitions grown thick in the mind. Instead, I've grown things that I'd like. In fact, I've grown wings of the mind. So rest your bed until we grow pain like the child. Until we grow colors of the wild. Until we grow mind spasm like. As long as I know what I like, they can't kill no more of my strife. So let's go in and tickle pain feather tight. As long as I make God alike inside my own think of the mic. See you in bed inside those pains of my heart. As I grow my own dislikes, go rest your head in the night. I'll be vampire clad in the wild. As long as my nature's grown my mind. Forever unpaved as God find inside my own page of my wild. As long as scriptures made, as long as beds growing the wind, knock on night. As I am faded on wild, inside my wings as I like, forever make up your mind.